everyone. Good afternoon, respected directors, faculty members, seniors, juniors, and all my dear friends. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ समझ आता है, कहाँ समझ आता है। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। How would you feel if I tell you that the government without any reason will give you rupees 1,000 for free, not just once, the government will give you money every month, and not just you but also your family, friends, relatives, and all the citizens of the world today. I know some of you might be thinking that this isn't possible, but let me tell you, this is an economy policy by which seriously being concerned in many of the world today. Greeting to everyone. Good afternoon, respected directors, faculty members, seniors, juniors, and all my dear friends. Today, on this important occasion, I would like to give a short speech on poverty and the UBI called Universal Basic Income is the only way to eradicate that poverty. India is a greater human race and the mother of history, the grandmother of legend and the great grandmother of tradition. But it will be not exaggeration to say that nearly 68.8% of the total Indian population lives on only $2 each day. Yes, I repeat it again, only $2 each day. वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो राम की खिचड़ी भी खाता है, वो रहीम की खीर भी खाता है। वो भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ समझ आता है, कहाँ समझ आता है। Poverty is not a national calamity like earthquake. Rather, it is a result of unfairness and inequality. Income is actually is a public inheritance which should be end and we should be end and some of you and the government should allow the policy universal income policy to implement it not just in India but every countries of the world today. Some of you might be thinking that what is the reason of the government to distribute the money to everyone without any reason. But there is a reason that the job that are person losing and when will lose. So the UBI is the only possible way to eradicate poverty. Believe me, the result of UBI will be rise up and the nutrition level of the children and the family will be go up and there will be improvement in the educational system and we all know that the education is very important for us and without reason thinking of employment and earning livelihood is next to impossible and along with education we can get food, shelter and whatever necessary for our life we can easily get. So, but I have a doubt that why the government providing everybody rupees every month. In my opinion, the government should selectively choose people who is really poor and hand out money to them and so I have to say a lot about this amazing topic, but as the time is running out, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that independence is nothing. Independence is the most important thing that how you are independent. I would like to request all the youth of the nation that make your own identity because your identity is the most important freedom rather than others. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.